Welcome to today's video. Welcome to today's video. We're going to talk about the upcoming of severe weather. We'll have a lot of severe weather on the way. We got severe weather Thursday, Friday for the next couple days until like Monday. We can see on the severe weather outlook. So we're gonna get into that first and talk about the radars after that. All right, everyone. We got today's severe weather risk. We can see for Wednesday. We can see we got a marginal risk in South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, and even Texas. Then we got a typical thunderstorm risk in Ohio, Illinois, West Virginia, Montana, North Dakota, South Dakota, Minnesota, Idaho. We can see, guys. So let's move on to our. We got a 5% wind risk in South Dakota, North Dakota, so not North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas. We can see also on here. No tornado risk we can see, and a 5% hail risk we can see, stretching all the way down from Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, and even Texas we can see, guys. Alright, so let's go to our day outlook. So this is Thursday. It's severe weather outlook. We can see we had slight risk in Iowa, Nebraska, Kansas. We can see Missouri, Minnesota, a marginal risk in Minnesota, Wisconsin, South Dakota, North Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, Missouri, Illinois, Wisconsin. You can see also in Arkansas, guys, on here. So yeah, we're gonna be talking about a lot of severe weather. Alright. Let's move on to our day 4. This is our day 4 risk for Friday. We can see on here, this is recorded the night before. This is why like sometimes these videos are like could be like the night before. You can see like this might be something else by like then. Just when this comes out. This is our Friday severe weather probability. We got a 15% probability outlook in Oklahoma, Texas, Arkansas, and Missouri too. You can see. Our day 5 risk for Saturday, we can see we got a 15% probability of severe weather in Kansas, Arkansas, Missouri, Texas, Louisiana too. We can see also. Yeah, severe weather is gonna go for days. We're gonna see in some of these spots. Not days, like I mean, like we're gonna have severe weather like almost every day in the spot. This is for us. Let's see, what day is this? Sunday. We can see got some 15% probability outlook in Kansas, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Texas, Louisiana too. We can see also. So we got our day 7 outlook. We can see severe weather risk in Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Arkansas, Mississippi, Louisiana. We can see also here for Monday, April 27th. We can see on here, guys. Alright, guys, so let's move on to our radar projections. Everyone, so. Alright, everyone, we got our radar projections here. This is Thursday, 2 p.m. We can see. We have storms firing up in Iowa, Kansas, we can see. Oklahoma, Arkansas, Texas, Louisiana, too. We can see also on here snow up in Montana, we can see. Rain maybe in South Dakota, North Dakota. We have two also for Thursday at 2 p.m. everyone. Thursday, 5 p.m. we're going to have rain in Minnesota, storms, Iowa, Nebraska, Kansas. We can see some rain in Ohio, West Virginia, Michigan. We can see also some snow in Colorado. We can see Montana, Wyoming too, in Utah too. We can see on here too. Then we can see we got rain in Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, maybe a little too. You can see on there. In Missouri too. We got storms in Minnesota, we can see. At 8 p.m. on Thursday, we got a full line of storms going. We can see places like Minnesota, Iowa, Nebraska, Kansas, we can see Oklahoma, Arkansas, we can maybe have some storms. Louisiana, too. And maybe some rain up in Ohio and Michigan, and some rain up in South and North Dakota, some snow in Montana, Wyoming, we can see also in Utah and Colorado Mountains. Thursday, 11 p.m., we got full outburst storms in Kansas, Iowa, Missouri, Minnesota, Wisconsin, too. We can see we got snow in Montana, Wyoming, we can maybe see a little bit of, and Idaho, too. See and rain in Washington State, too. And maybe some rain in Louisiana, too. Then by Friday at 2 a.m., when the storms are starting to die down, I'm seeing a lot of places here. Got rain in Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, Kansas, Missouri, too. We can see snow in places like Wyoming, Idaho. We can see Montana, too. Also on here, guys. So, got rain in Michigan. You can see also, guys, some snow in Maine. Also, some rain in Oklahoma. We can have maybe some storms also. Then by Friday, 11 a.m., we can see on here, guys. We got rain in places like Missouri, Illinois. We can see maybe we get some rain in Arkansas too. Rain in Wisconsin, Minnesota. We can see snow in Montana, snow in Wyoming too. We can see everybody. And Friday, 5 p.m., we're going to have storms in Arkansas, Missouri. We can see maybe rain up in Wisconsin, Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, snow in New York. We can see snow in Maine also. Snow in Montana, snow in Wyoming. We can see Colorado, Utah, Idaho. We can see also. Friday, April 24th at 8 p.m., we got storms in Arkansas, Tennessee, maybe even a little of Kentucky, in Louisiana, too. You can see on here, guys. And rain up in Michigan, Wisconsin. Then by Saturday, got storms starting to die down. We can see some more storms on Saturday in like places like Kansas and things. We can have some storms there. Also, Saturday, April 25th at 2 p.m. You can see awesome. And maybe some rain up in Iowa. You can see also maybe some rain in PA, New York, places like that. And so maybe, alright, so we can see our storms you can maybe have in Kansas, Oklahoma, Saturday, 8 p.m. We can see got some snow in the California mountains, Nevada mountains, Utah mountains. We can see in Wyoming mountains and Colorado mountains too. Rain in PA, New York also. Rain in Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina. We can see Tennessee, Mississippi, Alabama, Florida, Louisiana. We can see also on here. We get some rain in Texas. We can see and things too. Alright, Sunday we could have more severe weather again. In places like Kansas, Oklahoma. You can see even Arkansas, rain in Nebraska, rain in South Dakota, snow in North Dakota. We can see snow in Montana, snow in Wyoming, snow in Utah, Colorado, Arizona, even in the Colorado mountains. We can see Utah mountains and Wyoming mountains too. Alright, Sunday, have storms, and Monday, have maybe looks like in rain in places like Minnesota, Wisconsin, Illinois. You can see in Indiana too, and some snow up in North Dakota on Monday, April 27th. You can see also on here. So yeah, let's talk something else real quick. Hold on. Alright guys, I just want to talk to you about something else, guys. I want to show you how much snow we could are gonna get from the snow in the California mountains. We can see in some places we've got 12 inches of snow. You can see 16 inches of snow in the California mountains. We can see also on here. You can see 6 inches, 9 inches in some spots. Nevada, we can have a few inches in the mountains. We can see also on here, guys. So yeah, that will be it for that, guys. We can see. Let's just check our rain totals over for this area. No, it's wrong. Our 48-hour rain total. So we can see in some. Let's do 72 actually. Alright, this is our 72-hour rain totals we can see. Or 48 to 72 hours. We can see we have 1 inch in parts of California, 1.4 inches of rain we can see from that rain system. We can see 1 inch, 1.5 inches, maybe potentially in some spots we could have had, guys, also. So that's pretty much it for that, guys. So let's get over to our storm cap numbers real quick. Alright, let's talk about our storm cap numbers. This is Thursday at 6 p.m. We can see we have 2,500 storm cap in Oklahoma, 2,800 in Texas, 1,300 in Iowa, 1,200 in Arkansas. We can see also on here. So by Friday, You can see more storm cap is building up in places like Texas. We can see like 3,000, 3,400, 1,600 in Arkansas. We can see 500 in Illinois. We can see 1,200 in Arkansas, 2,000 in Oklahoma, 1,800 in Louisiana, 1,400 in Mississippi, 900 in Tennessee, 500 storm cap in Kentucky. We can see Indiana 200, 400, Michigan 700. You can see also. We can see we have 4,000 storm cap in Texas. We can see 4,200, 3,900, 800 in Arkansas, 700 in Illinois, 500 in Indiana, 200 in Michigan, 500 storm cap, 600 storm cap in Kentucky. We can have. All right, so Saturday, we have storm cap numbers as high. Let's hope this changes. These storm cap numbers are pretty high. I say like 4,500, 4,300, 4,600, even potentially 4,800 storm cap in Texas. This model is showing right now. You can see on here. Then overnight hours, we can still have high storm cap in Texas, 3,300, 3,400, 2,500 in Kansas, 3,100 in Oklahoma. You can see 1,000 in Arkansas, 900 in Mississippi. We can see 400. Then we could even have another high day of storm cap for Sunday, April 26th, 4,300, 4,200 storm cap, 3,600, 3,500, 2,500 in Louisiana. You can see in 1,700 in Nebraska. You can see on here. Then 5 p.m. we have numbers as high as 4,300, 4,400 storm cap. In parts of Oklahoma, Kansas, we have 2,600 storm cap too. We can maybe see. And Sunday night we have storm cap numbers as high as 4,000 or 5,000 almost in parts of Texas we can see. So yeah guys, I hope you learned something new in this video and enjoyed it today. I see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, notification bell. You never miss a video like this guys. Okay guys, I see you guys in the next one.